Today's the day.
Let's drive.
I have full faith in you. Oh, we almost crashed into the ambulance!
I don't think we started well. They should have put the oil later, not at the beginning.
We are stuck, as we expected, so they're helping us.
Lots of people are trying to help us now, but I don't think they understand the problem.
This is our training ground. No!
After landing in India, we spent a few days in Chennai, waiting for the amazing mechanics of the Chennai garage to add the finishing touches to our auto rickshaw Ricky. Previously known as Madras, capital city of Tamil Nadu and the 6th most populated city in India, Chennai was indeed an interesting place to see, even though a bit overwhelming at times.
So bus stop, and we decided to start with a truly local experience, getting a local bus.
Do we have the ticket?
Yes. We are just in front of the Royal Court of Justice.
Do you need a notary? No problem.
We have a solution for you.
There are plenty of cars here, one after the other. You just pick a car and inside there is a notary for you. Behind people. It's crazy. This place is crazy.
Still, I can spot you very easily. Thanks God.
Good.
To your hair.
Welcome to Chennai Metro.
Yeah, so what's the difference with the buses?
There are around 1 million people less. There is AC. I mean, this is brand new.
Yeah.
Brand new. It costs 4 times the bus.
It's probably gonna be on time. It says 4 minutes. The bus is, you never know when it comes.
We are ready. Today's the day.
Let's drive. So we took a while to pack properly the Ricky, but ready to go.
Rick is ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Are you ready, driver?
Yeah.
Yeah, so today I think Alex is gonna drive because we have to leave Chennai. Traffic is mad and I still have to perfection my rickshaw driving skills. Here are all our bags. Now we also have some spare petrol and oil just in case we run out of it. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Here we go.
Good tension. Okay. Beep, it means it works.
That's a good start. That's a good start. I have full faith in you. First intersection of the day. Oh my
kilometers left, but then you end up in those roads.
At least it's quieter on this road, not much traffic.
It's great. Ambulance.
We almost crashed into the ambulance! Oh, the road, we're almost there. Come on, Ricky, we're almost there. Oh, nice! Look at the beautiful houses. And our guest house is here somewhere. Let's see if someone is home. So, we just arrived at the guest house. This is the first guest house we're staying in India. We were in a hostel in Chennai. I noticed there was no toilet paper, so I asked for it. And they told us, no, you can't use toilet paper here, of course. All right. So I'm studying the situation here because I really need to pee. So I mean, it's fine. We just need to really get used to the local costume and use the little shower they have there. Thinking about it, it's not that different from the Italian bidet. I think it's like, we could describe it as the Indian version of bidet.
Yeah,
What do you think? Do you agree?
I agree.
Yes.
But it's more multifunctional, I would say.
It
right?
is. So this is the Indian version of bidet, let's say. It's just a little shower. And you can use it, yes, to wash your face because there is no sink. To wash your
Anything.
anything after you use the toilet because there is no toilet paper. And so it's really efficient.
Yeah.
So because I really need to pee now, I think I'm gonna give it a go.
Okay. Let us know how it goes.
I will. Another day, another drive with Ricky. We're just at the petrol station now. How much petrol do we have?
Zero.
Zero. Good. Right time to stop at the petrol station because petrol here is not pre-mixed with oil. We need to manually mix some oil and some petrol before putting it into Ricky, or Ricky won't be happy with petrol only.
For every liter, we need 50 milliliters of oil. So we have all the measures there. It reminds me of the shots when you make cocktails, but no, that's for oil.
Well, we will make a cocktail for Ricky. He will be happy.
not with I don't think we started well. They should have put the oil later, not at the beginning.
Yeah. But we need to tell them next time. We need to tell them exactly how to do it. We just put some petrol in Ricky, but the guy at the petrol station put all the oil first and then all the petrol, and this could cause problem with the engine. So in theory you should mix the oil and the petrol and put a little bit of each. Fingers crossed Ricky won't be too upset about it and we'll manage to get to Vellore.
We are stuck, as we expected, so they're helping us. The motorcycle is pushing us.
Lots of people are trying to help us now, but I don't think they understand the problem. And we can't communicate because they don't speak
It's
English.
a huge debate.
So there's a big debate on why our rickshaw is broken, and we're trying to explain that they put the oil first, but it's not going too well. But it's amazing in India how everybody tries to help you. Doesn't matter what they're doing, they may be in the middle of something important, but if they see that someone is struggling, they come and try to help you.
trying masala dosa today. Dosa is the name of this type of really thin bread that they make here. Masala, I believe, refers to the filling which I chose, which is made of potatoes, and it's served with different types of chutney. I believe this is kind of red pepper, really hot one. This is definitely coconut, and this is coriander chutney. And this looks like sambar, which we've had with every meal in India so far. It's just like a vegetable stew. Looking forward to try this.
This is our training ground.
You need to see it's like this. This is yeah.
Do one, boom.
Boom, yeah. Just like a shuttle shot. No. That's all. Because now there is no shortcut there. You are doing this.
Gas slowly. No. Stop. Stop.
But don't give too much of gas. Slowly.
Stop. Oh. Okay, she knows how to use a brake. That's the most important thing. Oh. And then you now leave. You better leave now.
Just had my first driving lesson with the rickshaw, and it's more difficult than I expected. I cannot possibly turn the engine on, not for the life of me. There is no way I'll ever be able to do that. Other than that, all is good.
I'm a passenger for the first time.
Mastering it. So you have to cross now. Now that I'm coming.
Oh, be careful. Sinistra. Metti la freccia. Prova a mettere la freccia adesso. No. It is here. It's not there.
This one?
Yes. Okay. Hello.
Trying for the first time.
Super.
Thanks for watching. That was an interesting way to start our adventure with Ricky. Have you ever driven an auto rickshaw or an ape piaggio? Have you got any tips for us beginners? Leave a comment in the section below. And don't miss the next episode if you want to find out if we made it to Vellore.